I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted a post on TikTok, don't worry. There are ways to potentially recover it. Here is how you can try to get your content back. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account from which the post was deleted. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where all your videos are displayed. Step 3. Check the drafts folder. Look for a folder labeled drafts on your profile page. Sometimes posts that seem deleted may actually be saved as drafts. Step 4. Review recently deleted. If you have the latest version of TikTok, check for a recently deleted section in your settings. This feature allows you to restore deleted posts within a certain time frame. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If you can find your post and drafts were recently deleted, reach out to TikTok support. Provide them with as much information as possible about the post. Remember, if you deleted the post a while ago, it might not be recoverable. But trying these steps can help you find what you thought was lost. Good luck, and I hope you get your post back.